analyze it. And people think that when they find a bug with AI, the first reaction seems to sometimes be, let's send it to the security list because this may have security implications. And the security list for the kernel was overrun by duplicate reports, by tens, hundreds of people running AI, often the same AI tool, and getting slightly different results, often with the same underlying cause, but we were flooded by people sending bugs. And then you have this list with fairly few people on it because it's all supposed to be super secret. And we spent all our time just forwarding these reports to other developers who knew that area better. And we made the policy change that basically if you find a security or any bug with AI, you should basically consider it to be public. And just because if you found it with AI, 100 other people also found it with AI. And obviously that when it comes to things that really are security issues, you may not want to make the exploit public, right? Don't go and say to the world, hey, this is how, and this, by the way, I want to make it very clear, this is not just about the Linux kernel. When you find an exploit for any piece of software, don't be that guy or that gal who then crows about it publicly and say, look, hey, I could bring down this big company or whatever. Just let people know what the problem was and don't necessarily tell them exactly how to make somebody's life really miserable on a Friday afternoon, right? So we are seeing some pain points with AI, and it's not that the technology is bad, and I personally really enjoy it, but there's like the social issues that it causes have yet to be all worked out, I would say.
And social issues, I think, is the key here. We have had this tendency for a long time. I don't know if Heartbleed was the first one, but the companies who are branding the bug and create the domain and the logo, and they want to get all the fame for the bug, and then release it before they ever talk to the victims, i.e. the maintainers who then need to fix that. And we've had 4 recent local privilege escalation bugs in the Linux kernel, 2 of which were disclosed exactly this way. My response is always, here is a company I never want to work with, because if you do that to the Linux kernel, you do this to anyone. Don't want to work with you. However, we've had these 4 bugs, and I think they have